Welcome to Winner's Weapon. Welcome to the series of episodes on mathematics, episode number 7. Till now, we have calculated different types of multiplications between two numbers, but all are on base methods. But in this multiplication, we 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 can do different types of numbers. We can use different types of numbers without considering any base. See, randomly we can take any numbers. We can take any numbers. And before that, before multiplication, I will explain the method. What is the method? For example, there is a multiplication between two numbers, one vertical, cross vertical. That means between two numbers, we should go up to two lines and then we should reduce. For example, between three numbers, one line, two lines, three lines, and then reduce. Two lines, one line. We have to use this procedure. For example, four numbers, four digits, one line, two lines, three line, four lines, and then reduce. Three lines, two lines, one line. So this procedure we have to follow. So what is this procedure? Maybe Chinese alphabet. They are not Chinese alphabet. You can learn. We can use all these techniques further. Now coming to the point. If you want to multiply 27 into 32 or 31, how do we do? First, as we discussed earlier, like this, one line, that means this line, 7 1 ja 7. Now two lines, that means two lines, 7 3 ja 21, 2 1 ja 2, totally 23. Write 3, keep 2 in your mind. Now this line, 2 3 ja 6, already we have 2, that 6 plus 2 is 8. That's all the answer. Now we go for 3 digits. For example, 2 5 1 into 1 3 2. For example, if you want to multiply these two numbers, so what we have to use? Vertical, cross vertical, and cross vertical. Till three numbers, we should go for up to 3 lines. 2 1 ja 2. Now these two, 1 3 ja 3, 5 2 ja 10, totally 13. Write 3, keep 1 in your brain. Now use this one. So whenever you are using these two, now this one also we should do, this one. So 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, totally 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. Already we have 1 in our brain, that is 21, 1 2. Keep 2 in your brain, then these two. Remove this. Now these two. 5 1 ja 5, 2 3 ja 6, total 11. Already we have 2, 13. Write 3, keep 1 in your brain. Now finally this 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That's all the answer. For example, if you want to find the product of four digits, for example, 2 0 1 3 into 3 2 5 2 something. If you want to multiply these two numbers, what we have to use? That is one line, two lines, three lines, four lines, then three lines, then two lines, one line. Use this is the pattern we have to use. 3 2 is 6. Now these two. 3 5 is 15. 1 2 is 2. 15 plus 2 17. 1 7. Now these three. Like this. 3 2 is 6, 2 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 1 12, 2 1. Now these three, these two, like this. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 13, 5 0 0, 13, 2 1 is 2, 13 plus 2 15, 1 is 16, 6 1. Now you can remove these lines and now come these. 3 1 is 3, 2 5 is 10, so 13, 2 0 0, 13 plus 1 14, 4 1. Again finally these two, 3 0 0, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, so finally 3 2 is 6. That's all the answer. So you can multiply even 5 digits also. Whenever 5 digits, what is the procedure? One line, two lines, three lines, 4 lines and 5 lines and keep reducing 4 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 line. Like that you can do any type of multiplication between either 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits or 5 digits. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. This is Lammatha Srinivasa Rao. All the best.